hey, who's the best handyman in the Denver metro area? That includes Thornton, North Glen, Erie, Broomfield, Lafayette, Westminster. I'm going to tell you who the best man is for the job, the best handyman. And it is from Complete Property Solutions. It is Lar. So I'm going to put his number down below. You can call him if you want to. I own properties. I own several properties in the North Metro area. They're rentals, and I have them come out all the time to fix things. As you can imagine, things go a little bit crazy sometimes when you have renters in there, and Lar always works with them and always gets the job done. We've had him replace water heaters. We've had him paint. We've had him do landscape. We've had him do garbage disposals, all those kinds of things. And he always comes through. I've been using him for over 10 years, and I can't give him a stronger recommendation. I normally talk about credit, but today I felt compelled to make a testimonial about the best handyman in Colorado, in northern Colorado, in the Denver metro area. This is your guy. I've got a couple of pictures up here of projects that he did for me. I didn't want to displace any tenants to take pictures, but those are in my own home that he's done. He did a patio for me. It is beautiful. He also did a bathroom for me. Again, it's perfect. My wife loves it. That's the big thing, right? So I'm going to give my highest recommendation to Lar at Complete Property Solutions. Call him at the number below. Thank you.